Hey everyone, it's been forever. And while I do have December daily stuff, I want to dig into that a little bit more myself. And I have last year's to finish before I show any haul videos. But, sorry, I don't have a tripod. I did. My toddler broke it. That's his life. But anyway, I have seen Freckled Fawn's blooper bundles. And I finally bought not one, but two. They were $5. They come with these. They're like 7 by 7 3/4 heavy bags. I got this pink and orange plaid, I guess you would call it. It's probably not right, but that's what my mind is going with. And this orange zigzag, and I know that's not what you call it either, but I'm blanking on what it actually is. Anyway, so they couldn't guarantee that you would get different things if you ordered multiple bundles, but you would get different bags. So I thought I would try it, see what 2 bags got me. They did send me these little washi stickers just as a little extra throw-in. And these look like fall. I haven't opened them, but what I could tell, they look like fall. And this month they said they threw in, because they'd overstock washi, so they threw in extra washi. And so their blooper bundles are like when things aren't placed correctly on a sheet, but everything's perfectly fine, or the rest of it's fine, or the labels are incorrect. So these are actually really cool. These are Cork arrows with gold metallic in them, and I don't even know what's wrong with them, to tell you the truth. Maybe the packaging was incorrect. There's no like backer sheet. I mean, there's a backer sheet for this, for the arrows, but there's no like labeled script. But those are really, really cool. I actually think I can use those in my December daily. These might be an addiction that's starting. These are paper stickers, so there's different circles, arrows, hearts, and it looks like there might be 2 sheets in there, or maybe they're just a thick cardstock. Also, I'm not left-handed, so maybe this wasn't the best decision I've made. Oh, come on. There's more cards, the foiled Cork pumpkins. It looks like there's another sheet in there, but I can't get them out. So I'll check back later here. These are awesome. These are enamel shapes. I think that's a navy blue. Orange, yellow, and green. Those are really cool. So these are epoxy stickers. So these are fall themed. That coffee mug is really, really cute. But these are really neat. I don't, again, know what their issue was, but I'll take it. For all of these things for $5, heck yes. So this washi that I got is a green plaid, and actually it said they had overstock, so I'm assuming it might all be the same, and it's really neat. I really do like the pattern, but I probably don't need 2 of them in my ginormous washi stash. So if they are exactly the same from the other bag, somebody's gonna get some Happy Mail. These are matte enamel dots. They match the colors of the other one. They're very, very cool. Oh, there's more enamel dots. Enamel shapes. These are foil Cork autumn stickers. Oh, so now I do see here. So Now I get it. So these are stuck together. This pumpkin and this leaf are joined. But honestly, I think you could just cut them around the edge and they would be fine. And even if not, the rest of these are gorgeous. You're gonna have to forgive me. Was not prepared to do this. I got this during nap time. This is my grid mat with all my labels that I have to make for my stamp dividers. So these are small epoxy dots, enamel shapes, whatever you want to call them. And some more. This is a really neat cherry color. I really like that. Very, very cool. And then there are these wooden shapes. It looks like they all say hi, which is really cute. I like the font, but it's very small. There it is in a 1x1 square. So you can tell how small they are. So there's the first bag. And I wouldn't be sad if there were more of those cork arrows in this bag. And these cases are really hefty. Like, oh, it looks like I got something different in there. Oh, it doesn't look like I have more cork arrows. That's a bummer. These bags are really nice. Like, they're very nice. I mean, very cool. Thick. Okay, so these are chipboard. And so like this one goes up there, but there's nothing wrong with that. This is what I love most. Enjoy these moments. Good job. Looks like there's, oh no. These two that are popped out are actually in the back down there. So everything's there. They just got out of place. Time to make some memories. So silly. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see. Some more of those epoxy buttons. Oh, these are actually really neat. So these are baby pennants. And maybe if I ever make my daughter's album and make this baby an album, maybe these are really cute though. Like if I will keep these. It's something I would definitely use. They come with the little sticks too. Very neat. These are not labeled, but they look like epoxy flowers, and they're flat. Well, they have a flat back, yep. Like that, they have a flat back. They're interesting. I'm not sure what I would do with them. I'm not huge into mixed media, but very cute. It's like some more, oh, I did get more arrows. Some more of these cardstock stickers, which are really cute. I really do like them. I really like the colors too. Some more of the small enamel shapes. Some of these other enamel dots. And some more of these gold arrows. Oh my gosh, these are my fave, I think. I'm so glad I got two. These, oops, showing you my mess. That's my December daily project mess. Some more of these high wooden shapes, and then this roll of washi, which I do believe, yep, is exactly the same. So I'm very happy with what I've got. Like it's really neat. There's a lot of similarities, but a few different pieces, and you can't go wrong with multiple enamel shapes. So these bags are really cool. I said they're like 7 by 7 3/4. They're really thick plastic. They were and are, if you take a deep whiff, a little smelly when I took them out of the package, but that could be pregnancy nose too. But other than that, these are really cool. I think I might have to keep an eye out for them again. They do send you reminder emails when they have blooper bundles. And the shipping was fast too. I bought this like 2 or 3 days ago before I got in bed because the email came at like, I don't know, 10 p.m. I was like, I better get it now or else they'll sell out. And so I did. Their shipping was fast. Came USPS. And it was like $3.95 or something for the shipping for these two. So I didn't think that was bad. And I wanted to try it out. Very cool. Hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you later. Bye.